72 hours after Ademola Adeleke was declared winner of the July 16 governorship election in Osun State, as he garnered 403,371 votes to defeat his closest rival and the incumbent governor of the state, Oyetola, the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has now presented him with certificate of return as the governor-elect, along with his deputy, Kola Adewusi. In his acceptance speech at a ceremony witnessed by the leaders of the party in the state, Senator Adeleke dedicated his victory to his late brother and former governor of the state, Kola Adeleke, and the people of Osun State.
This victory would not have been possible but for the goodwill of the patriotic men, young and old, who work hard to make sure we reclaim our stolen mandate. I am overwhelmed by your love and support, and I do not take this trust you have bestowed on me for granted.
Earlier in their separate speeches, the National Commissioner in charge of Oyo, Ogun and Osun states, Kola Adewusi, and the State Resident Commissioner, Professor Abdulgani Iraji, commended the people of the state for their conduct during the polls, stressing that the Osun election has become a standard for elections in Nigeria.
As an electoral umpire, under the able leadership of the Honorable Chairman, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, we are consistent in achieving our vision to become one of the best election management bodies in the world.
Ademola Adeleke is expected to take the oath of office by November as the 6th civilian governor of the state since its creation 31 years ago. Olatunde Olayiwola, AIT News, Osogbo.